Let's check out this heavy duty storage bag for Christmas tree and Christmas ornaments. This is really cool because apparently it's, and we're just opening up for the first time, it's waterproof, great if you want to get rid or keep those insects away from, because you're going to store these, your trees and your ornaments for a very long time until next year. So look at that, huge. I can see the double stitching already, really, really high quality. This is nice. So let's start and putting it in there. So I've got my tree in two different parts. This bag can accommodate up a tree up to just a little over 7 foot tall. So look at that. Whoa, this is crazy. Never done this before, so let's see how it goes. It's actually pretty easy because the thing is so huge. Just lets me just slip it in there. And I'm not worried about, tearing it, breaking it, because it is such a heavy duty bag. And then I've got the second part, the top part. I'm going to install just like that. Pretty cool. I can even put in my extra little light bulbs, even the stand. I'm going to put that in there. Let's see how well it zips in. Zips up. Nice double stitching on the zipper as well. As you can see, that's really nice because we all know zippers usually tend to go first. Not here. Look at this. I've got an entire Christmas tree in here with all its hardware ready to be stored away in an attic, in the basement, and ready for next year. That's awesome. Very, very excited about that. We won't be losing anything. It will keep the tree perfect and ready for the next season.